Mira, una manera muy chévere de usar GPT y ese tipo de herramientas para trabajar con PDFs y entender el contenido es, por ejemplo, te lo voy a mostrar acá con este artículo súper chévere. Em, lo abres, digamos, el PDF este está en internet, pero lo puedes abrir uno local también. Y le das acá a Copilot. Entonces, le puedes decir que te dé un summary, pero entonces acá primero toca, pues, asegurarse de que use esta página, ¿no? Entonces, al usar esta página está refiriéndose a este PDF, ¿no? Entonces, acá le puedes decir eh, Generate Page Summary, digamos, ahí esperamos. Empieza a generar el summary. Estos summaries son muy incompletos, ¿no? Normalmente. A ver qué dice acá. Generative AI and Science. The paper discusses the transformation of a dataset of 1,000 scientific papers into an ontological knowledge graph using generative AI. So, esto es correcto. Graph analysis, it details the structural analysis of the graph, including the node degrees, community, connectedness, and pivotal node centrality. Sí, estos temas sí son lo más importante, pero claro que pues esto no es muy difícil porque acá está el abstract, ¿no? Multimodal reasoning, the study highlights the use of large language models for deep node representations of multimodal graph. Bien, chévere. Pero entonces uno puede pedirle información sobre cosas que están más adelante. Eh, no sé si se le puede decir, por ejemplo, summarize section 2. Section 2. Certainly, here's a summary of section 2. A ver, miramos section 2, qué tan cierto es. Section 2, aquí está results and discussion. Entonces, graph construction. ¿Qué dice graph construction? ¿Será? Sí, construction. Mira, en la sección 2 está construction and analysis of the global graph. Describes the process of transforming scientific papers into a knowledge graph, including the generation of triples and concatenation into a global graph. Graph analysis discusses the analysis of the global graph using node embeddings and various statistical tools to understand the properties of and structure multimodal reasoning through the use of ontological knowledge graph and multimodal graph reasoning, which can reveal a new interdisciplinary relationship. Send selected copitas. Ah, no, me está diciendo que si quiero mandar ese texto al chat, dice no. Entonces, por ejemplo, acá le puedo preguntar, what are some of the more surprising findings from the paper? Por ejemplo, dice, the paper presents several intriguing findings. Isomorphic mapping, the discovery of structural parallels between biological materials and Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, as well as Kandinsky's composition 7. Eso era exactamente lo que yo quería preguntar con eso. Mycelium-based composites, the innovative design of hierarchical mycelium-based composite inspired by a balance of chaos and order, adjustable porosity, and complex patterned chemical functionality. Transdisciplinary connections, the revelation of nuanced ontologies and hierarchical interplay among constituents across science, technology, and art, showcasing the method's ability to transcend disciplinary boundaries. Generative AI, the use of generative AI to compose novel material designs and predict material behaviors, demonstrating a higher degree of novelty and explorative capacity compared with conventional approaches. These findings highlight the paper's contribution to advanced scientific discovery through generative knowledge extraction and multimodal intelligent graph reasoning. Uno le puede decir acá que se lo hable también, ¿no?
The paper presents several intriguing findings. Isomorphic mapping, the discovery of structural parallels between biological materials and Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, as well as Kandinsky's Composition 7 painting through isomorphic mapping. Mycelium-based composite, the innovative design of a hierarchical mycelium-based composite inspired by a balance of chaos and order, adjustable porosity, and complex patterned chemical functionalization. Transdisciplinary connections, the revelation of nuanced ontologies and hierarchical interplay among constituents across science, technology, and art, showcasing the method's ability to transcend disciplinary boundaries. Generative AI, the use of generative AI to propose novel material designs and predict material behaviors, demonstrating a higher degree of novelty and explorative capacity compared to conventional approaches. These findings highlight the paper's contribution to advancing scientific discovery through generative knowledge extraction and multimodal intelligent graph reasoning.